Welcome to our channel. If you want to unlock premium free streaming on your Fire Stick using a downloader code, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Power on your Fire Stick and use the search function to find and install the Downloader app. Step 2. Open Downloader and locate the URL bar at the center of the interface. Step 3. Type in the downloader code that unlocks premium free streaming and click Go. Step 4. Wait while the APK file downloads to your device. Monitor the progress bar. Step 5. After downloading, you'll see an install prompt. Click Install to begin installation. Step 6. Once installation completes, click Done. Consider deleting the APK file to free up space. Step 7. Navigate to your Fire Stick home screen and find the premium streaming app in your apps list. Step 8. Launch the app and enjoy premium quality streaming without subscription fees. Access movies, shows, live channels, and exclusive content in high definition, all unlocked for free. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.